What's that? That's the smell of burritos. They just got cheaper, baby, because Chipotle just announced a 50 for one stock split. Welcome to the channel. I'm stock market coach and option trader Jason Brown. And if you haven't been paying attention to what's happening with Chipotle, don't worry. I got you. In this video, we're going to be breaking down the record setting stock split that this company has announced, a 50 for one stock split. So let's just take a look at the notes that came out today. Chipotle has declared its first ever stock split, and it actually led to a significant surge in the stock price. After hours, the stock is up about 4.8%, almost 5%, an extra $134.65. Now, the split is subject to shareholder approval, which is going to be on June 6, 2024. And at that meeting, if the shareholders approve the split, basically for every one share that a person owns, they will now own 50 share at the new low price, which would be about $60 at the time of this recording. So basically, every share that you have that's $2,932.61 will be worth $60 after the split happens. Now, why do companies do a stock split? Well, Chipotle said that they believe that their stock price is getting too expensive for the average person, and most importantly, before their employees. I want you to think about it like this. In order for an employee to buy one share of stock in the company, they have to have $2,932 to buy one share. That's so expensive versus after the stock split, every employee could contribute $60 from a paycheck and own one share in the company that they work for. Now, let's look at the stock charts and see what all of this means from a technical standpoint. So if you look here, that's where you can see after hours, Chipotle is up at $134.65. So they're doing quite well in the after hours, and a lot of times that's attributed to the fact that because the stock will be more affordable, that means new money and more money will flow into the company, thus raising the price even higher. When we take a look at the chart, there's something I want to point out to you. Chipotle at the beginning of the year was trading about $2,200 that you can see here. The stock is currently trading at roughly $2,800 a share. That means the stock has risen $600 a share in just 3 months, as we're still here in March as we record this. If you think about that from a mathematical perspective, $600 divided by a $2,200 price share, which means the stock has risen 27% in just 3 months. And if you go back even further than that, this company has been delivering record returns. Now, why should you care that the stock is splitting other than the fact that burritos just went on sale? Well, not really burritos, but the company's stock just went on sale, and maybe now regular average people can afford it. But here's why you really should care. I want to take a look at some of the stock splits that have happened between Google, Amazon, and more recently Walmart, and paint a picture for what's possible with this stock split if you're interested in investing in Chipotle. So let's go take a look at Amazon. Let's start there. If you look back here, Amazon did a 20 for one stock split. You can see it right there on June 22nd. It looks like, or June in 2022. Amazon did a 20 for one stock split. What does that mean? That means the stock was trading at about $2,000 a share and then did a stock split down to about $100 a share, basically. And so that stock has now pretty much almost doubled in price as it's trading for $175. It's just shy of doubling. Let's look at Google. Google also right here did a 20 for one stock split. So when Google did that 20 for one stock split, again, $2,000 share company, now trading for about $100 a share. It's now today trading at about $152. You see a pattern here. Good companies splitting are allowing regular everyday people to come in and start to purchase some of these stocks, and they're still a good company, except now more people who wanted to own it can which creates a cash inflow of people willing to buy the stock up. And they don't psychologically believe they're buying it at higher and higher prices because of the split that has happened. Because technically, as the stock goes up, you're really buying this back at 2,000, 2,200, $2,300 a share, but you don't see it that way because of the stock split. And now that you can get a share for, as little as $100, or in Chipotle's case, $60. One other split that I think is important to look at, Walmart. You can see Walmart did a split right here. So Walmart did a 3-for-1 split right here. So at the time when it split, it was trading for about $60. If you times that by three, Walmart was trading for $180. And since the stock has split, yes, it backed off for about a week, but the stock continues to just creep higher. So if there's nothing else you learn from a stock split, if it's a good company, now regular, average, everyday people can afford it. And if it continues to be a good company with a new cash infusion, there's really no reason why the stock can't continue to go higher. Let me know in the comments. Chipotle stock split. Are you buying some? Are you going to get a burrito at the discount and put it in your stock portfolio? Let me know. I'm Team Chipotle. I've been waiting for something like this to happen. Now, us regular people can get in and get some Chipotle stock. Let's go.